Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following problem solving and data analysis question is a bit funny. They're telling you this whole story, and then they give you this piece of information that's completely irrelevant here. Every 10 minutes she spends walking the dogs, Jane earns $5, and then they tell you Jane earned a raise and now earns $7 for every 10 minutes she spends walking the dogs. Well, then, if that's how much she earns now, then forget what they said originally. That's not going to be important. To the story here. Okay, well, we know that she earns $7 for 10 minutes, and we want to know how many hours it's going to take her to get headphones costing 75. So first we're going to have to turn this into hours. So there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. We're going to put the minutes up top and the hours at the bottom. So we have something per hour divided by hour, and we get rid of minutes here. So that's going to be 7 times 60, that's 6 times 7 is 42, so $420 for 10 times 1, or 10 hours. So that's going to be the same thing as $42 for every hour. Okay, so if that's the rate and we want to know how many hours it's going to take her to make, to earn $75, we can then say, well, $42 for every 1 hour is going to equal some amount of dollars. Oh, sorry, 75, we already know. Over some amount of hours, and then we can solve for, or this should be an H, sorry, that we can solve for what unknown hour amount this is by setting them equal with the exact same units on both sides. Okay, so let's go ahead and cross multiply. 1 times 75, and then divide that by the remaining number, 42. So that's basically just saying 75 divided by 42 will give you the number of hours here. So if you do 75 divided by 42, you should get a number equaling 1.7 something something something. And we're looking here for something rounded to the nearest tenth. So it's going to it can't be 107 or 0.7 or 107.14. The answer here is going to be answer choice C. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.